还没有人来，这边你可以看到人数。
哦，OK。有人了。OK。Hello, hello. Good evening, boys and girls. Can you hear me clearly? If you can hear me, please input 1 in the chat box. Okay. Hello. Hello, hamsters. Hi. Hi. Hello, Dalisha. Hello. Yes, here not only Chinese, but also English. Here is SASMO problems. And today we will go through 3 kinds of typical SASMO questions. Hello. Who are you? I'm teacher Yuxin from Think Academy. Today, from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., we will do P4 SASMO. Hello. Thank you for your like. Hello. You can try to think about question 1 on my paper. It's a typical page problem. Graham, you can wait here because you are smart. Here is P4 SASMO questions. And we will go through P5 later. Hello. Go through P6. We will go through PSLE question later. And do you know SASMO? You can look at my paper. Here, the title is P4 SASMO. Do you know what is SASMO? We will go through PSLE later. We will go through P5 PSLE questions at 8 p.m. And then we will go through P6 PSLE at Saturday 8 p.m. and P4 PSLE at Saturday 7 p.m. Please focus on Think Academy. What is SASMO? Lupo 592. Do you know what is SASMO? Hello, KK. Hello, Blue. Hello, Sherry. You can try the questions on my paper, okay? SASMO is a Math Olympic, one of the Math Olympic. Hello, Ned. Hello, Budi. Hello, Carol. Hello, Vera. Hello, hello. You can try the SASMO problem on my paper. And do you know what is SASMO? Hello, Legend. Hello, Michelle. Hello. Hello, thank you for your like. Hello, Joey. Hello, Nisha. We will go through P5 PSLE at 8 p.m. Alright, let me start. And first of all, do you know who I am? This is Teacher Yuxin from Think Academy, and I graduated from Nanyang Technological University. And today is my first TikTok live. Alright, and today, at first, I will ask all of you, do you know what is SASMO? I think SASMO is a very important math Olympic. And I think it's one of the most important math Olympic in Singapore. Not only in Singapore, but also in all around Asia. Alright? And all the students in primary school can take part in SASMO. And all the participants will receive a certificate from SASMO. Alright. And today, we will go through P4 SASMO. We will go through some P4 SASMO typical questions, such as page problems, and multiple problems, and calendar problems. And then you can join in P4 SASMO WhatsApp group and WeChat group to get some free practice paper. And please TikTok DM me your number, and I will add you in. If you want to join in P4 SASMO WhatsApp group to get free practice paper, you can TikTok DM me your number, and I will add you in, okay? And in Think Academy, we have some short-term course for SASMO and long-term course for not only for SASMO, but also for all the Math Olympic. If you are interested in our courses, please DM me in TikTok, okay? We have short-term course for SASMO and long-term course for Math Olympic. Not only SASMO, but also NEMOS and RI, SMOs, essential. Alright, and today, we will go through 9 questions about SASMO. First of all, can you think about the first question? This is a page problem. I will give you 1 minute to think about it, and then I will go through this question. Oh, Lopo, can you quickly give me the answer? Hello, hello. Welcome to our channel. Alright, let's go through the first questions. This is a typical page problems. Let's see the first sentence. A printer printed 237 digits. Take a line here. And we know, do you know from 1 to 9, how many digits here? There are 9 digits. And how many digits from 10 to 99? How many numbers? There are 90 numbers from 10 to 99. And every number is 2-digit number. So we times 2 is 180. We put them together. 9 plus 118 is 189. Actually, all the math problems or all the SASMO problems is more than 100 pages. That means you have to remember this number. It's very important. And then in this question, we have 237 digits. So first step, we use 237 minus. Do you remember the number? 189, very important. I think you can focus on this number, okay? What's the answer? Who can tell me the answer quickly? It's 48. And then we know from 100 to the number we want. They are all 3-digit number. So we use 48 divided by 3 is 16. That means after 99, except 1 to 99, there's still 16 numbers. So we use 99. 99 include 1 digit and 2 digit number. And plus 16. The answer is 115. That means this storybook have 115 pages. Do you got the same answer with me? Lopi, please think about it. You have to minus 1, I think. Maybe you use 100 plus 15 or 100 plus 16. And then if I change the questions, if the book maybe have 4,000 pages, how to calculate it? And we still remember from 1 to 99, there is 189 numbers. I think it's very important. So do you know how many numbers from 100 to 999? There are 900 numbers, and every number has 3 digits. So how many digits from 100 to 999? There are 2,700 digits. And then we use this number plus 189. That means from 1 to 1999, there are 2,889 numbers, 89 digits. So if you meet a question, the question said a printer printed maybe 4,000 digits. You can understand, in this storybook, there are more than 1,000 pages. Alright? If you understand this question, if you think it clearly, you can input 1 in the chat box. Hello, this is P4 SASMO questions. Just like maybe in page 10, there are 2 digits. One is 10, one is 1, and 1 is 0. And in 72, also 2 digits. 1 digit is 7, and 1 digit is 2. Alright, let's turn to question 2. Question 2 is also page problem. I will give you 1 minute to think about it. And if you can come out the answer quickly, you can input in the chat box. Have a try. In this question, we also use the 189. We also use this pattern. If you still remember 189, this number, you can come out the answer quickly. Those questions is for Math Olympic. I think is a little bit difficult than PSLE. Alright, let's go through question 2. Do you still remember how to come out 189? Let's try together. From 1 to 9, there is 9 numbers, and each number has 1 digit. So there are 9 digits from 1 to 9. And then from 10 to 99, there are 19 numbers, and each number has 2 digits. So there are 180 digits from 10 to 99. And then we put them together. There is 189 digits. So please remember this question, because all the question in SASMO is more than 100 pages. And then in this question, we have 100 pages. So here is 1 to 99. So we use 189 plus 3. Because 100, this number, have 3 digits. So from 1 to 100, there are 192 digits. Is it the answer? Is it the answer? No, right? All right, what should we do? From 1 to 100, how many numbers is multiple 10? First, we look at the 2-digit number. 2-digit number is 10, 20, 30 to 90. How many numbers? There are 9 numbers. So we use 2-digit times 9. And then, which number also multiple 10? There is one number, right? It's 100. 100 has 3 digits, so we plus 3. Can you tell me the answer quickly? Very easy, I think. It's 21. Here is all the numbers, all the digits from 1 to 100. And here is all the digits of multiple 10. In this question, we have to remove multiple 10. So we use 192 and minus 21. Then we come out the answer. The answer of this question is 171. If you can understand this question, please type, let me see. Please input OK in our chat box, okay? Thank you. Thank you for your like. Hello, Zero. Hello. Hello, Bonnie. Hello, hello. All right, let's go through question 3. The last question of Paige's question today. All right, question 3 have 2 methods. I will give you 1 minute to think about question 3. There are 2 methods. And one is very quick. Yes, this one is easy. Sam, what's your answer? Hello, Jingyang. You can try this question, and I will go through all the questions with you. Yes, it's P4 SASMO questions. Hello, Sam. Hello, Lucy. And if you want to join our P4 SASMO WhatsApp group, you can DM us in TikTok. Hello. All right, let's go through question 3. First, I will use a regular method. It's easy, but not very quick. All right, let me write here, method 1. So, who can tell me from 1 to 100, how many times of 0? Let's write down together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There are 2 zeros. And there are how many zeros? There are 11 zeros. And then let's look at how many ones. Let's write it together. I think some of you have a better method. You can think about it. And then we will go through method 2. 1, 11. And plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. I will write it very quickly. And then, which number? 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. And then, which number? 100, also 1 here, right? And in 11, there are 2 ones. I label 2 here. So, from 1 to 100, how many ones? Oh, 21 is more than 11, right? And then let's go through 2, 3, 4. Write down together and you can think about an easy method. 2, 10, 20, and then plus 1. Plus 1, there are 2. We label 2 here. Plus 1, I will write it very quickly. 27, 28, 29, and then 32, not 30. 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92. So, who can tell me very quickly how many 2's here? Here are 20 2's. And I think 3 is similar to 2. Write together. Okay, 30, 31, 32. Be careful, there is 2. So we label 2 here. And 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Be careful, next one is 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and 93. How many? Who can tell me the answer very quick? Hello, William. Hello. Hello, Hockey. 20. So how many 4? 4. 14. 24. 34. And which number? Not 44. No. Now it's 40. 41. 42. 43. Be careful. 44. There are 2 4's. Label here. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. Which number? 54. 64. 74, and 84, and last 94. How many numbers? Also 20. So, which number is the biggest? It's clearly 21. And which number is the smallest? It's 11. So, we choose A here. But I think this method is too slow. If in examination, I think time is not enough. So, I think we can go through it very quickly. First of all, let me write method 2 here. First of all, we just look at C, D, and E. This three number is all the same every time. It's the same, right? It's 20. So, it's the same. So this is a multiple choice question. So you don't need to think about C, D, and E. We only need to make a choice. And then, just look at 0. Because 0 cannot appear in the tens when it's a 2-digit number. So I think the chance for 0 is very, very little. We just write down the number of 0. Look here. Only 11 0 here. And we look at 1. Not only the place for 2, 3, 4. There is 1. One can also put on the place for 2, 3, 4. And then there is another 1 on hundreds. So it's a total number of 2. 2 plus 1 is how many 1's? So we know 1 is more than 2, more than 3, and more than 4. The only answer is A. It's an easy question, and you can go through it very quickly. Why is written in Chinese? Because in the SASMO, all the questions will give you in English, Chinese. Alright. I think this question is very easy. Let's go through another type of question. Let's go through calendar problems. Alright, I will give you 1 minute to think about question 4, and then I will go through it. If you know the answer, you can type the right answer in the chat box. This is P4 SASMO questions. I think it's more difficult than P4 PSLE. So I think all the students in P4 to P6 can try the question. Hello. I found Rose got the right answer for question 3. Very good. If you know the answer of this question, you can input the right answer. Hello, Bobby. Alright, this question 4, also has 2 methods. And at first, I will go through method 1 with you. In method 1, we think about April the 14th to May the 1st. That means our pattern is from Friday. Our pattern is from April the 14th. How many days from April the 14th to May the 1st? First of all, we know April has 30 days, so we write down 30 here. And then we minus 14. Is it the right answer? Is it all the days in April? No, because we also minus April the 14th, this day here. So we have to plus 1. This is all the days in April. And then don't forget May the 1st, so I plus 1 here. So from April the 14th to May the 1st, there are how many days? You can have the answer. There are 18 days. And then we know a week, there are 7 days. So we use 18 divided by 7. That means in 18, how many weeks here? Alright. How many weeks here? There are 2 weeks, and there are 4 days remainder. So who can tell me, in our pattern, which day is the first day? Is Friday or Saturday? Hello, this is P4 SASMO questions, and I think students in P5 and P6 also can try this question. And we will go through P5 PSLE later. Hello. So there are 4 days. And in our pattern, because we started from April the 14th, this day is a Friday. So the first day in our pattern, in our group, is Friday. So let's count 4 days together. First day is Friday. And 2, Saturday. The third day is Sunday. And which one is the 4th day? It's Monday. So the answer is Monday. Don't forget to label here. But someone will tell me, hello, teacher Yuxin, I think we plus 1 is very difficult. Do you have an easier method? So look here, look at method 2. In this method, we will go through from April the 15th to May the 1st. So who can tell me how many days from April the 15th to May the 1st? First of all, we use all the days in April and minus 14. And in this time, we don't need to plus 1. Just plus May the 1st. There is a difference. So from April the 15th to May the 1st, there are 17 days. And then we also use 17 divided by 7 because in each group has 7 days. That means every week we have 7 days, right? The answer is 2 remainder 3. But here, is it a pattern? Is it a group started from Friday? No, it's from Saturday. Because we know this day is Friday. So next day, tomorrow, is Saturday. So we count from Saturday. Saturday is the first day, and we have 2. Second day is Sunday. We want to know the third day is Monday. The answer also Monday. So we have 2 methods. Which one is better? You can make a choice. If you think method 1 is better, you can type method 1. You can type 1 in the chat box. Alright. Hello. If you think method 2 is better, you can input 2 in the chat box. Hello. Hello, cars. Hello, house. Hello. Hello, user. Blah, 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 blah. Hello, sport cars. Hello. Hello, Megan. Hello. This is the first question in calendar problems. Alright. If it's clearly, let's go through another question. I think this question is a little bit difficult. Let's try it. I will give you 1 minute to try it. If you can come out the answer very quickly, you can input A or B or C or D in the chat box. Okay? At first, I want to ask you, for example, today is March the 2nd, and today is Thursday. Do you know next week, which day is Thursday? Next week, Thursday is March the 9th. It's also Thursday. And from this Thursday to next Thursday, we always plus 7. For example, tomorrow is March the 3rd. It's Friday. And next Friday, we plus 7 is March the 10th. And I will tell you another regular. If I have an even number, I plus an odd number. The answer is always even or odd number. The answer is always odd number. For example, I use 2 plus 3. The answer is 5. Even, odd, odd. And if I already have an odd number, I add another odd number. The answer will be even number. For example, 5 plus 7 is even number. Okay. Oh, it's Friday today in New Zealand. Wow! Is there a friend from New Zealand? Welcome, welcome. Hello, Alex. Hello. Thank you for your like from New Zealand. If today is Friday, if we are in New Zealand, today is Friday, and we want to know next Friday is which day, we also plus 7, and we can find out the date is 10th. Wow, hello, hello. Thank you from your like from New Zealand. Alright, let's go through this question together. There are 3 steps of this question. The first step, in every month, there will be 28 days, like in February. Also can be 29 days, 4 years a time in February. There can be 30 days. There can be 31 days in a month. So that means at least in a month, there are at least 4 weeks. At least. Do you know why there is at least 4 weeks? Because all this number divided by 7, there at least is 4. And then maybe there is a remainder, and remainder will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So at least there are 4 weeks. What is it? It means the Friday at least will appear 4 times, and also can be 5 times. And in this question, at least 3 Friday is even number. So let's go through step 2. We write down 3 even Friday here. Even Friday, even Friday, and even Friday. And then, if in this month, there are 4 Friday, I can only put another Friday in this space, this space, this space, or this space. Let's try to put the 4th Friday on this. So, even number plus 7 is odd number. So here is an odd Friday. And there is the 3rd Friday even number. Odd plus odd is even. But here, even still plus 7, even plus odd number can also be even number. That's impossible. So, cannot put here the 4th Friday. If we still have 4 Friday, can we put here? That's impossible because there is even. Even plus odd cannot be even number. That's impossible. If we put here is an odd Friday. Even plus 7 cannot be even. So in this question, there must be 5 Friday. Because even number plus odd number is still odd number. So if we put odd Friday here, even plus 7, odd. And odd plus odd, even plus odd, odd. And odd plus 7 plus odd number is still even number. So in step 2, we know there must be 5 Friday in this month. Let's go to step 3. We have to find out one of the even Friday in this month. We have to find out maybe first even Friday. Because we do some plus problems, it's more easy. It's not only the first even Friday. Because from step 2, we can find out that this is also the first Friday in this month. And we know the first Friday must on an even day. So which day is the first even day? It's the second day, right? So if the Friday is on maybe March the 2nd, we have plus 7 to the second Friday is 9. And then 9 plus 7 and 16 plus 7 is the 4th Friday. And this day plus 7 is 30. Even, odd, even, odd, even. There is 3 even Friday. And in this situation, the 16th day is Friday. So the 14th day is Wednesday. And then we have to look at the second. Maybe Friday is on the 4th day in this month. And then, let me look at the paper. All right. This is not second school question. This is P4 SASMO question for math competition. First Friday is on the 4th day. And then 4 plus 7, 11. Even number. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 7, 25, odd number. And 25 plus 7. Is it possible? Is it possible? That's impossible. So, our answer is come out. The 14th day is Wednesday because we know the nearest, the 16th day is Friday. Don't forget to label the right answer. Hello. Hello, Celeste. Hello. Hello, Lin. Hello, Damien. Hello. All right. I think this is the most difficult question in calendar problems. Hello? Alright, let's turn to an easy one. So let's turn to question 6. And I think you can try to write down on your paper. I think you need a paper. And if you come out the answer, you can input the right answer. Input A or B or C or D in the chat box. Alright, I will give you about 30 seconds. Hello Maggie, this question is for P4 SASMO, and SASMO is one of the most important math competition, not only in Singapore and in Asia. This question is for P4 competition. Hello Maggie. This question is for P4 competition, but I think all the students from P4 to P6 can try this question. Alright, I will go through this question. This question, you have to do it very carefully. Let's start from 2015. Let's write down the turtle. Let's write down the turtle. Sorry, not turtle. Turtle is a kind of animal. It's waiting us in zoo. And 16, 2017, 2018, and 20. Something wrong with my pen. Don't worry, I have another blue pen. Yes. And then we have to find out all the factors of this number. This number, this number, this number, this number. Teacher Yuxin told you you have to do this problem very carefully. I will tell you, I will put the month number on the first, and the number for date on the second place. And then, for example, 15 can be 1 times 15. That means there can be January the 15th. And can we put the 15 on the month place? No, right? Alright, just turn to another factor. I think you have to find out the factor from the smallest to the biggest, because you have to do it very carefully. Be careful. Alright, the second one is 3. 3 times which number is 15 times 5. Is there March the 5th? Right here. And can we put 5 before? Is there May the 3rd? It's alright. And there another factor for 15? No, right? There are 3 groups. Alright, let's turn to 16. At first, don't forget 1, January. And can we put 16 before? How many months? We only have 12 months, so we cannot put 16 before. And then there is 2. 2 plus which? 2 times which number? 2 times 8. There is February the 8th. Very good. And then, can we put 8 before in August? Very good. And then, which number? It's 4, right? 4 times 4 in April the 4th. So how many groups here? There are 4 groups. And then 2017, there's only 1 times 17, and can we put 17 before? That's impossible, right? So there is only 1. And then we go through 2018. Don't forget 1. in January. But are there the 18th month here? No, right? So 18 is an even number. There must be 2. 2 times which number? 2 times 9. And is there September the 2nd? Must be. Alright. And then 1, 2 can be 3. Of course, 3 times 6. And can we write down 6 before? Of course, June. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. And then the last one. Can 19 divided by 2? No, it's all number. And can it be divided by 3? Also no, right? Because 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 cannot be divided by 3. That means 19 cannot be divided by 3. So there only 1 times 19. And 19 cannot put before. Why? Because there are only 12 months, right? So how many types? There are only 1. And then we plus all the numbers in circle together. Who can tell me the answer very quick? The answer is, you can input the right answer in the chat box. Who can tell me very quick? Let me see. Very good, Alex. Very good. It's 3 times 9. It's 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1. The answer is, so which should we choose? The answer is 14. Don't forget to label the right answer. We have to choose D. Very good, Shira. Alright, Alex got the right answer. Alright, let's turn to question 7. There is a new type of question. And if you want to have more free practice, you can join our P4 SASMO WhatsApp group. You can DM me by TikTok. Alright. Alright, let's go through question 7. This question is a new type of question. It's a little bit difficult. And I want to go through with you step by step. Try to go through it very slow. Alright? I want to use a letter to label chicken, goats, and cows. I use C for chicken. And I've used G here. And which letter I can use? Maybe W. Alright. What do we know from the article? Very long article, I think. Just make it very easy. We know chicken plus G, the total number is 40. And we know 3 times chicken is 5 times cows. Do you know chicken and cows, which one is more? Chicken is more. For example, we can use 3 times 5 is equal to 5 times 3. Here is C, here is W. That means C is bigger. And we also know 2 times goats is 10 times cows. I want to make this equation easier. That means G is 5 cows. So which one is more? G is bigger or W is bigger? Just like 1 times 5 and 5 times 1. Clearly, G is bigger. And then, let's draw the unit. We have to draw 2 groups of unit. The first group is cows and it's the chicken and cows. 3 times chicken is 5 times cows. And chicken is more, so we can draw 5 units for chicken. And we can draw 3 units for cows. There is a group. And we have to draw another group. It's W and G. There are, hello, there are 9 questions. There is question 7. And if you want to know all the questions or you want to see all the solutions, you can DM me and I will put you into the P4 SASMO WhatsApp group. Here, God is more. So, God is 5 times cos. So, cos, there is 1 unit. And there are 5 units of gods. And then, second step, I want to combine. I want to take C, W, and G in a same picture. So what should I do? I should times 3, and then there will be 3, and then times 3, there is equal. Let's draw the new picture together. Cos number never changed. There are 5 units. How about cos times 3? There are 3 units. And then there are gods. 5 units before and times 3 with the cos here. So many. There are 15 units. And we know the cos plus gods. There are 40. So I want to know which number is U. 5, 15. So I use 14 divided by 5 plus 15. We can know each unit is 2. So unit is 2. We can come out, see quickly. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. And then 15 times 2 is 30. Is it the answer? No. Because we want to know the total number of animal feet in his farm. So how many feet for cows? Cows have, each cow, there are 4 feet. And then each chicken, 2 feet. And then each goat, 4 feet. So who can tell me the answer quickly, very quick? Yes, the model is too long. I think you can find out a more easier way to do this question. Maybe you can try to use equation. Actually, use equation is very fast, but it is not the method for P4 students. I know you are very clever. Very good. SASMO got the right answer. 164. Excellent. Very quickly. The answer is little bit difficult. Alex, do you understand this question? Yes, model is too long. Thank you for your like, Shira. Alright? If you want to have the solution, you can join our SASMO WhatsApp group. Alright, let's turn to question 8. I will give you 1 minute to think about this question. You can also draw 2 pictures. One is before, one is after. Let's draw it together. I use D for desk and C for chair. D for desk and C for chair. And originally, the number of desk and the number of the chair is the same, right? And then, is the same after? No. After sold away 42 tables. I sold away 42 tables. There is 42. And what happens about the chairs? I bring 24 chairs. Here is 24. What happens? At this time, there is 1 unit. Because in this question we can see the number of chairs will be 4 times as many as tables. So if the table, or I write desk here, is 1U. If the table is 1U, and how about the chairs? Chairs is 4U in total, right? Here is 4U in total. And here is also 1U. Here is the same, so I draw a line here. And 4U, here is 4U minus 1U. So who can tell me how many U's here? There are 3 units here. And we know there is a line. There is original number, not only chairs, but also tables. So, can you tell me what number is 3U? What is equation to 3U? It's 42 plus 24. Look at here. 1U, 1U, 42 and 24. And 3U is 66. Hello, Fifi. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your share. We know 3U is 66. So who can tell me 1U? 1U is equal to 66 divided by 3 is 22. Excellent. And we know after bringing, we have 4U chairs. That means we have 4 times 22. We have 88 chairs. Is it the right answer? We want to know the chairs originally. 88 is after bringing 24 chairs. So I use 88 minus 24. And then we got the answer. It's 64. 64 is the right answer for this question. Originally, there are 64 chairs. And originally, how many tables? Also 64, because at first, it's equal number of tables and chairs. Hello, welcome back. Hello, Sukuna. Alright, let's turn to our last questions today. I think this question is so magical. Looks difficult. The article is very long. But it's very easy actually. We only need 1 step for this question. Let's draw the picture together. I think in this type of question, the sum, multiple, and difference question, we always need to draw something. Maybe we can become the painter. How many doors in A? 31. How many in B? In total, there is 43. And I draw a line here. I have told you this line is equal to A. So there is 31. So who can tell me how many doors here? It's 43 minus 31. Who can tell me the answer very quickly? Hello, welcome back. There is 12. 43 minus 31 is 12. And then, after sort out, what happened? What happened here? Who can tell me? Finally, the doors in A is the half number of doors in B. But there is something never changed. Who can tell me what never changed? It's the difference between A and B, right? because the rate, the speed of the sold out is the same. So the difference of A and B never changed. What's the difference before? Is tail, right? Never changed. And the question told us A is a half of B. So can we think about here is three same unit. Same. A is a half. Here and here is the same. So also tell. We use this number. Also it's tell. We times 3 because we want to know the total number in 2 machines. The answer is 36. Can you understand it? If you met some, difference, and multiple questions, please remember to draw something, become the painter, okay? Very good. I found all of you understand this question. Very good. This is the last question in our live from 7 to 8. And after this live, from 8 p.m., there will be P5 PSLE. And then, if you want to get some free practice paper, you can join our P4 SASMO WhatsApp group. Please TikTok DM me your number, and I will add you into the WhatsApp group. And in Think Academy, we provide some short-term course for SASMO. We also provide long-term course, not only for SASMO, but also for Math Olympics. If you are interested in those courses, please DM me your number, and I will talk with you on WhatsApp. And this is Teacher Yuxin from Think Academy. See you on next Thursday. Bye-bye. There will be P5 PSLE on 8 p.m. Thank you for your like. Bye-bye.